Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X30 and I'm gonna show you how to change photo resolution in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button, the second one from the left. When we pick this we get access to more buttons we can manage, and now let's pick the settings here so we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first position here we have the picture size, so when we tap on this we can manage the quality of the picture connected with the ratio. So we have 48 megapixels with 4:3 ratio, which is now 4:3 is also available with 12 megapixels and 8 megapixels, and this is how to change this. So just tapping on this like that. And we have also the other ratio 16:9, also available with 48 megapixels or 8 megapixels, and the lowest quality here the 2:1 megapixels. For now let me stay on 48 megapixels with 16:9 ratio. Let's go back to the camera to see the camera aspect ratio. So this is how it looks like here with 16:9. When we go back to this and to the settings, we can manage this and go back to 4:3. So to remind you, let me stay on this. Let's go back again to the camera. So as you can see, 4:3 is a little bit shorter than 16:9. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.